Hey guys, if you've been in the cryptocurrency space for even a short period of time, you're probably seeing a lot of red right now. If you go and check out the charts on coinmarketcap.com, you're gonna see a precipitous drop in pretty much all the coins. I looked at it the other day and I saw out of the top 100, only 2 coins that were still in green. Before we get into why this may have occurred, let's talk about your investment strategy and philosophy. Why did you get into the cryptocurrency space? Now, a lot of people may have got in there and said, hey, you know what? This is a gold rush. It's time for me to get wealthy. It's a way to make a lot of money in a short period of time. See, we've been looking at Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and then all the other altcoins after that. And we see the opportunity. We see the tremendous amount of money that one could make. I mean, take for example, you're looking at Bitcoin that just a month ago was trading over $15,000 a coin. And here we are a month later and it's down to $10,000. It's causing a lot of panic and everyone's just freaking out and they're selling and like, oh my goodness, what should I do? Right now, you have to re-examine your philosophy. You have to ask yourself, are you in it for the long haul? Are you in it for the quick buck? Because if you're in it for the quick buck, you're probably going to lose because you're trying to time the market. And it's really, really hard to time the market. This is a completely different asset class. This is not the real estate market. This is not the stock market. It works a little bit different. Although there are some similarities, it is completely different asset class. People have different motivations. Looking at the fundamentals and the technicals is a little bit different. Just a little bit different. In fact, this is like venture capitalism. You know, in stocks, you own a piece of the company. You own a few shares. In cryptocurrency, you're trying to own a coin. It's one of the ways that these companies can raise money for their product or service. And that's what you're invested in. Imagine or picture yourself as a shark from the show Shark Tank. And you want to do your due diligence. You want to ask the right questions and you want to get certain answers. You want to know about the numbers. So in this case, you want to go read the white papers and you want to go look at the dev team and you want to see what is the product or service. Is there anything backing the cryptocurrency? So you want to look at all these things and develop a strategy and develop a philosophy. And if you have that in place, then right now you shouldn't be panicking. Now, to address what's going on right now, well, there's a number of things. One being a lot of the news is coming out of Korea and the bans that have been on some cryptocurrencies and some of the platforms out there. There's been a lot of trouble. There's been some political issues, social issues, economic issues. If you just look at some of the news clippings, if you've been listening to all the news, if you've been listening to all the things that's been going on around cryptocurrency. I made a video earlier addressing what is exactly is happening or what is at least contributing to the market being in red. Here's the good news for those who are in it for the long haul. Everything that has happened thus far, this is January 2018, it is predictable. And some of you may have heard, but for those who have not heard, there's the new Lunar Calendar. This is a new year for the Asian country. This is like Christmas for them where they're going to go shopping. This is a couple of articles that I read and a little bit of research that I've read. And I've been in a couple of places. Look at the other video that I had about, you know, the market crash, the cryptocurrency market crash. Now, as you may have noticed, I'm not Asian, but I did read a few of the articles, okay? And if we take that idea to test that theory, to see if it really is about the Asian citizens taking their money out of the market, all we have to do is go back to the charts. Go back to January in 2015, go back to January in 2016, as well as 2017. And see if you notice a pattern. Because if you are indeed an investor, you look at the charts and you're looking at a pattern. At least this one is predictable. So that's the good news. So you can expect that every January, something like this could happen. Now I say it that way because obviously past performance does not guarantee future performance. All that, yada, yada, yada. But what I'm saying is, what has happened is predictable. It's done it for the last 4 years. In the same month, around the same time. That's a pattern, is it not? So for those of us who are in for the long haul, we look at patterns, we hold, and we wait. Now, what you could have done if you noticed the pattern is that you could have did a little bit of a sell-off yourself and then come back in the dip. Those who are investors, we buy in the dip. When we see the dip coming, we buy into the dip. How many of you guys out there said, oh wow, I wish I would have invested in XRP Ripple when it was below $1, when it was 40 cents, when it was 80 cents, when it was $1. What do you think you should be doing now? Again, this is not investment advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing and how I look at the charts and how I try my best to see an opportunity. So if you were one of those people who said, you know what, wow, I should have invested in Ripple when it was $1, here's your chance. If you were one of those people who said, I should have invested in Bitcoin when it was $10,000, when just a little over a month ago it was over $15,000, well, here's your chance. Litecoin is under $200 right now. Ethereum, under 1,000, and I've seen it hit 1,000. It's under 1,000, like 850 or something like that. Check the charts. So you have to ask yourself, is it truly time to panic right now? Is it time to hold? Is it time to re-up? Or is it time to get out? I will let you decide because it is your decision. Any investing, be it real estate, stock, or cryptocurrencies, don't invest emotionally. Till next time, friends. Thank you guys for joining me. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification button. I don't want you to miss any episode where we're talking about cryptos, we're talking about character development, and we're talking about cash flows. That's what it's all about on this channel. Smash, smash, smash. And if you have any insights you'd like to share with other people, please put it in the comment section below. And once again, until next time, conquer with some cryptos.